Welcome back to the channel in the M88A1 Armored Recovery Vehicle build for Major Maury. As you can see, I'm going to zoom in here. That's the scratch-made handle from the one I lost. It looks just like that. And it looks ugly as hell right now, but let me paint it up. We got some painting to do with our black primer. We're going to paint that. We're going to paint these fenders that run all the way back here and maybe the inside. And we're going to paint all of sprue A. And of course, we're going to paint this brace right here that was in assembly. Whoa, come on, camera. Quit doing that. Holy crap. And so, yeah, that's what we're doing. Paint, paint, paint. Paint, paint, paint. And you don't want to watch that. It's boring as hell. So I'll see you in a minute. Bye. We're back. Yeah, we've been putting this stuff to good use. Mr. Finishing Surfacer 1500 Black and Mr. Color Leveling Thinner. The 400 is just the size of the bottle, in case you are wondering. Okay, so we got the little wire I made, our handle I made out of a straight pin done. Well, it wasn't really a straight pin. It was a pin you used to put planks on ships. The wooden ship I built. So anyway, it looks a lot like the handle back there, but that's just the first color we got. I got two colors on. And then here's the sides of the lower. They're all black, Mr. Finishing Surfacer. Here's the part that goes on the upper under the crane, the crane support, or boom support, the assembly. He's all black. And back here you see the A sprue. And he's all black on both sides. So here we go. Another step done. Thanks. Bye.